Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python on your phone. First, you'll need to prepare your mobile device. Begin by installing a suitable Python interpreter application from your App Store. Make sure your phone has enough free storage, ideally around 200 megabytes, to accommodate the app and any additional libraries you might download. A reliable internet connection will also be very beneficial for accessing online resources and updates as you progress. Now let's talk about choosing the right application. For Android users, Pydroid 3 is a popular choice, offering a comprehensive environment. If you're on iOS, Pythonista is an excellent option, providing a rich set of features. Both typically include a full Python interpreter, a code editor, and a console. Prioritize apps that offer helpful features like code completion, syntax highlighting, and basic debugging capabilities to enhance your learning experience. To learn effectively, begin with the core Python syntax and fundamental programming concepts. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to hands-on coding practice, even if it's just solving small problems or writing simple scripts. Many mobile Python apps integrate interactive tutorials or link to online courses, which can be incredibly valuable. Consistent, focused practice is key to building your skills and understanding how Python works on a practical level. To truly maximize your mobile learning, engage with online Python communities. They offer a fantastic space for asking questions, getting feedback, and staying motivated. Don't be afraid to experiment with various Python libraries. This will broaden your understanding and capabilities. Set realistic, achievable goals, such as completing one small coding project every week. Remember, consistency and curiosity are your best allies in mastering Python on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.